Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you need to update pricing, correct customer details, or adjust payment terms, knowing how to efficiently modify your invoices ensures your billing stays accurate and professional. To get started, head over to the QuickBooks Online website and sign in using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your business finances. From here, look to the left side menu and click on Sales. This section houses all your customer transactions, including estimates, invoices, and payments. After clicking Sales, you'll see several options appear. Select Invoices from this menu. This will bring up a complete list of all the invoices you've created, making it easy to locate exactly what you need to modify. Scroll through the list and find the specific invoice you want to edit. You can use the search function or sort by date, customer name, or invoice number to speed up the process. Once you've located the correct invoice, click on it to open the full details. This gives you a clear view of all the invoice information before making any changes. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the invoice where you'll find the Edit button. Click on this to unlock the invoice for editing. This is where you'll make all your necessary adjustments. You now have full control to modify any aspect of the invoice. You can update item details, change quantities or rates, correct customer information, adjust the billing address, modify payment terms, or even change invoice dates. Take your time here to ensure every detail reflects what needs to be corrected or updated. These changes directly affect your records and what your customer sees, so accuracy is important. Before finalizing, review all your changes carefully. Double-check that numbers add up correctly, dates make sense, and customer information is accurate. This quick review step helps you catch any mistakes before they become part of your permanent record. Once you're confident everything looks good, click Save or Save and Close at the bottom of the invoice. This action updates the invoice with all your edits and stores it in your QuickBooks records. If the changes you made affect what your customer owes or what they've already been billed for, it's good practice to reach out and communicate those modifications. A quick email explaining the adjustment helps maintain transparency and avoids any confusion or payment delays down the road. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.